Hi everyone, this is Manish from IndusHindi.com, and in this video we are going to talk about question pronouns. Let's begin. Hindi has two types of question pronouns. One is kaun, which is who, and another one is kya, which is what. Kaun, who, and kya, what. Let's see with some examples. आप कौन हैं? आप कौन हैं? Who are you? And the next example is तुम क्या करते हो? तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? Let's see the oblique case of कौन and क्या. So the oblique case of कौन is किस and the oblique case of क्या is किन. For example, किससे from whom and kin से from whose, right? Because these kin and kiss are followed by a postposition से in this case, right? And postpositions are like में, को, से, पर, etc. Let's see the possessive case or possessive form of these two question words. Possessive case is also called adjectival form, which means these possessive forms has agreement with number and gender. It changes according to number and gender. So the possessive form of कौन is किसका, which is masculine singular, and the masculine plural form of कौन is किसके, and the feminine singular and plural is किसकी. In the same amount, possessive form of क्या is किनका, which is masculine singular, किनके, which is masculine plural, and किनकी, which is feminine singular and plural. In all cases, it means whose or of what. Whose or of what. For example, let's see some example. The first example is तुम किसके साथ हो? Whom are you with, right? तुम किसके साथ हो? Whom are you with? And the next example is यह किनका घर है? Whose house is this? यह किनका घर है? Whose house is this? There is one more thing we have to learn, like in question while we were learning, we know there is two types of questions, right? One is information question and another one is yes no questions, right? So here we are going to talk about yes no questions. So when we talk about yes no question, we have to remember just one question word, which is kya, what. So while we make a question like yes no question, we put kya at the beginning of a sentence, right? In the very beginning of the sentence. For example, I can say क्या तुम Maria हो? Are you Maria? This is yes no question. The answer can be yes or no. Another example is one can say क्या आप जापान से हैं? क्या आप जापान से हैं? Are you from Japan? You see the word order, it changes, like question word kya just comes before the sentence, right? At the front of the sentence. So if you want to make yes no question, you have to just put kya in the beginning of the sentence. That's the end of the video, right? I hope you understand and is clear. Goodbye and see you in the next video.